So I received this comment on my frames video today. What if I have my own shape that I took a picture of? It's a teardrop shaped earring and I want to make a frame of it. So we want to make a frame out of a picture. So let's head over to Canva and I'll show you how to do that. So you're going to want to take the photo and remove the background to have the item that you want. So we're going to skip that part for now. Some of y'all do it in Canva. Some of y'all like me do it in Remove BG. I have a couple of pictures right here that are already have the background removed. So I'm going to go up in here and I'm going to grab two of them because you know what? You can make more than one frame on one sheet. As long as they're not touching, they won't make a grouped frame. They'll make individual frames. So if you need to make a couple of frames at a time, you can just go ahead and put a couple of things in there. Let's do that in there. And then what we want to do, we can make 3 frames on this picture. We can even make more if we really wanted to. So I'm going to go grab this one and I'm going to go and edit image. I'm going to go into duotone. I'm going to hit mono. And when I hit mono, I'm going to change both these colors to black. And then make sure that one is black. And there you go. You're going to apply. Same thing here. We're going to go into duotone. I do mono. You could probably do any of the colors, but this is the one that's closest to it if you just want to change one color to get it there. And then same thing with this one. We're going to go in here. We're going to maybe hit mono. And then I'm going to hit into that again. And I'm going to change that to black. And I'm going to apply. So I want to hit the other ones because if you can see right here, when I did that, let's go back into duotone again. Let's go into mono. Let's hit that. And let's make sure that both of these are black because I could see an outline of that. So I just want to make sure that they're black and I don't see any of the outline to any of the actual picture. So once that's all done, what I'm going to do is I am going to download this as a PNG. Maybe. I don't know. What in the world is this thing? Okay. That's something new. Have y'all seen that before? Okay, I'm just going to download it. Then we're going to go to this Convertio site. I'm going to choose my file. I'm going to maybe choose my file. I'm going to choose my file. Come on. And I'm going to go into my downloads, test frame, open. I'm going to do this. So there has been a couple of issues. No, I don't want to do doc. I want to do a SVG with the SVGs from Canva and doing this process. So I have been told that when they do the SVG from Canva, sometimes it does not work, changing it into a shape. Just use this Convertio. I think I said it was Converto. I don't know how I said it in the last one. Convertio. It does really well, convert, and it's simple. Yes, it's an extra step, but it'll get you where you need to go if you have problems with using PowerPoint with that. With anything that was Canva SVG. So now I'm going to do this device. I'm going to go test photo frame. That's what I had. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to convert it to shape. Then I'm going to go into shape fill. I am going to go into picture. I usually just grab a stock image. No, it doesn't matter what it is as long as it's an image. And we'll grab these people and we'll insert that. And once that's inserted, see they're all in there. What we're going to do, now this one's not connected, so this one actually is going to make 2 frames. So if you wanted that to be a single, I would do a hair, like a little teeny hairline right there before you brought it over to here. Otherwise, this is going to be a frame and this is going to be a frame. But we're just learning how to make frames out of pictures. So now I want to do, I'm going to go to File. I'm going to save as. I am going to do a frame 120. I don't know, 129. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go into PDF. I'm going to go in here because I put them all in my camera roll. I am going to save. And now, while that's doing that, I am going to come back over to Canva. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a page here. I'm going to give it a second because sometimes it takes a little bit to come to save over into my thing. I'm going to upload the files from here. I'm going to go into my camera roll And I'm going to go find test frame 129, which isn't all the way up yet. It's still kind of loading, but we can open it sometimes. Let's look and see if it'll load. It's going to load in your projects and not in your uploads. So it's not quite there yet. It's here. So now I have my frames. As you can see, this one wound up being 2. If I would have taken a line, like if I go into elements before I did that and kind of made a line like really skinny and just took the size of the line like as far down as you can and made that connect, that would be 1 frame. It has to be all together to make a solid frame. That's why these are 2. But here are your pictures, and we can just go grab some photos. We'll just grab any old thing and stick them in there. 1, 2, 3, and that's how you do that. And I hope I answered your question. If not, leave it down in the comments. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope I clarified that situation and helped you out. I'll see you on the next one. I love you guys. Bye.